Hello everyone, welcome to watch our video. Last month, we all know that Apple released the iPhone 13 series for our DAQIN company, and we also updated the newest templates for the iPhone 13 series for the first time, and so that our customer can use these templates at once. Following, and we can see how to make the customer skins for the new iPhone 13 series. This one is iPhone 12 and this one is iPhone 13. You can see the size is basically the same, and the specific position and the size of the camera mode are changed. So it is very necessary to update the templates, right? First, we need to make the template and the picture ready in our software, and like usual, we also need printing machine, lamination machine, and cutting machine. And first, we need to open our software. Okay, it's finished, and you can see the template is very accurately. Okay, that's all for our today. And if you have any interest of our product or have any questions, can contact our official website. See you next time. Bye bye.